Hi, I'm David. Welcome to Wildlife in Focus. This episode is everything you need to know about the redpoll. Scientific name, Acanthis. Historically, the redpoll was subdivided into 3 separate species. The Common Redpoll, scientific name Acanthis flammea, the Lesser Redpoll, scientific name Acanthis cabaret, and the Hoary Redpoll or Arctic Redpoll, scientific name Acanthis hornemanni. Identification between the species was difficult, as the differences were minimal and arguably subjective. As of July 2024, the International Ornithological Society, IOS, has determined that the 3 subspecies are genetically identical based on research conducted in 2017, and that the small variations in coloration, size, and beak shape are due to a supergene. This video is a guide on the redpoll and integrates information across the previous subspecies. The redpoll is a member of the Finch family. They have the typical brown colorations of finches, but also sport a red cap and sometimes red coloration on their chests. They are agile birds, and you will often see them performing acrobatics such as hanging upside down in search of food. Males and females are similar in appearance. The female is typically darker in colour with more streaks and with very little or no red plumage on their chests. Did you know? The word poll is derived from an Old English word pole and means head. So the name redpoll directly translates into redhead. Redpolls eat seeds, especially those of birch and alder trees and plants like sorrel. They will also frequently visit bird feeders eating sunflower and Nyjer seeds. Redpolls will migrate in large numbers in search of new food sources when it is in short supply, but will only move short distances when there is an abundance of food available. They are commonly found in moorland as well as woodland, farmland, and in gardens with seed feeders. They may be spotted pretty much anywhere in the British Isles except on higher ground, in particular during the winter months when numbers are bolstered by migrating birds. Redpolls are sociable little birds and will form flocks that move amongst the trees in search of food. Breeding pairs typically form in the winter, with nests often formed in close proximity to their social groups. The female takes responsibility for nest building using twigs, grass, moss, leaves, and other plant material. The nest is lined with feathers, wool, and hair. The female lays up to 5 eggs, which are incubated for 12 to 15 days. During this time, the males provide food to the females. Both parents support the nestlings which fledge after a further 9 to 15 days. Sparrowhawks are their main predators in the British Isles. At the time of writing, the conservation status has not been assessed, though it is estimated that there are over 260,000 breeding pairs in the UK alone. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more like this. It really helps the channel.